Hi there, it's CreativeSarah here, and we are gonna make a cute shirt. I found this really cute shirt at Target, and it ties in the front, and I kind of love that. It's a little t-shirt. So girls just want to have sun is the transfer I'm gonna use. Of course, I labeled the backer sheet. I already put my ink mat under and inside my shirt, and I'm just situating the transfer. I'm gonna press it down with my hands, make sure it's nice and flat. I'm gonna use some Couture Coral and some bright white for the ink. Now this is ink, not chalk, so remember, I'm gonna go ahead and just put my colors on the silk screen wherever I want. And when you're using your ink, you wanna be careful not to get any on the fabric outside of the transfer, because ink does not clean off of the fabric very easily. So you may be a little disappointed if you do get a little sloppy here. So be careful and make sure your hands are clean the entire time. I am using the multi-tool to get in there with all my colors because those little sun rays are kind of close together. But this is gonna be super cute when I'm done. I cannot wait to show you. Okay, so once you're done with this, you're going to peel the transfer and take out the ink mat, and we're gonna dry the ink completely. So you need to, look how cute that is. So you need to dry this. I'm gonna use my quick dry tool. You could use a hair dryer or a quick dry tool, and you have to dry it completely. You could even let it set overnight. That would be awesome. You know it will be dry the next day. After it's completely dry, we're going to iron it or heat press it. If you are ironing it, just go ahead and put it on the setting that is made for the fabric that you're using and iron it for 4 minutes, front and back, okay? Just iron it 4 minutes. I'm using a heat press, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mat in there, and I'm gonna cover it with some parchment paper. You're gonna do the same thing, and I'm heat pressing it instead of ironing it. It only takes about 30 seconds on each side for the heat press. It's different kind of heat than an iron, so you just wanna make sure. Do both sides, inside and outside, and when you're done, you'll have the most adorable shirt. Make sure you like and follow my page for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Look how cute.